Hi there, students. To hit it off. To hit it off with somebody. Okay, this phrase means to become friendly immediately when you meet somebody, to like them and become friendly from the get-go, from the moment that you meet them. So, I met John while I was waiting for a bus, and we hit it off immediately. Yeah, we hit it off. We hit it off right from the get-go. I hit it off with him, so we hit it off intransitive. I hit it off with him. Okay, you've got an indirect object with him. Okay, so to hit it off with somebody. Um, I worked with this guy for quite a long time, but we never really seemed to hit it off. Yeah, we never seemed to get on very well. We never seemed to become really good friends. Yeah, so if two people hit it off, they get along, but right from the beginning, they get on. They have a good relationship. So if two people hit it off, they like each other. They become friendly as soon as they meet. So, how well did you hit it off with the people that you were negotiating with? Yeah, to get on with someone like a house on fire. Yeah, or maybe two people click. Yeah, we just clicked and we got on really well. If two people click, yeah, they mesh. They just get on really well. They've got things in common. They have a good relationship. Yeah, they're really quite congenial with each other. Clearly, these people are compatible. Yeah. So when I moved house, I hit it off with my new neighbours immediately, which is a very good thing because in the past I haven't always hit it off with my neighbours. Um, I don't know. When you see world leaders meeting and they look as if they've hit it off. I wonder if this is really true. I think they're just pretending they've hit it off to show what wonderful, friendly people they are, and this is a good. This looks good for the cameras. Yeah. To start with, I didn't really hit it off with my girlfriend's parents, but after a while, when I actually got to know them, we did get on quite well. Okay, so notice to hit it off. I think hit it off is talking about having this good relationship right from the beginning. So to hit it off, to develop a friendly relationship with somebody, but especially suddenly, rapidly, and when you actually met them. Yeah. Um, I let's see. I was looking for somebody to work as my PA, and uh, Jack applied for this job, and we chatted for a little bit, and we hit it off so well that I didn't even interview him. I just hired him straight away. So to hit it off, to become friends, to make friends with, to get along, to get on with someone. Um, I've also actually seen the phrase to hit it up. Yeah, so I hit it up with them. Yeah, to get on well with somebody, exactly the same as hit it off. Although I would recommend using hit it off. Formality, we hit it off. 3.5 for informality, definitely use it informally. In a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, probably not. I think it's probably a little bit informal for that. To get on well with, yeah, to um, become immediate friends with. Okay, so to hit it off, to become good friends with someone. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To hit it off.